Hi students, this is a different kind of problem which is asked in the competitive exams like the NEET and the IIT entrance based on the vector product. Okay, now if vector A is equal to minus 6i cap plus 9j cap minus 12k cap and vector B is equal to 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. Prove that vector A and B are parallel to each other. So we want to prove that they are parallel to each other. Now while studying the properties of the cross product, we have stated one property that when two vectors A and B are parallel to each other, that is theta is equal to 0, then A cross B is equal to 0. So here we have to prove that A cross B, the vector product of A and B is equal to 0. So for that now I am writing like this: A cross B in determinant form I am writing. So this is I cap, middle factor is j cap and the end factor is k cap. Then the coefficients Ax, Ay and Az. So I will write here minus 6, then plus 9. Third one is minus 12. Then the components Bx, By and Bz. 2, minus 3, 4. So this is 2, minus 3 and 4. So as usual, this is what I cap. This I cap, okay, I will close this row and column. 9 into 4 minus of this. So I will take like this. First one is what? 9 into 4. So this is 9 into 4 minus of minus 12 into minus 3. So this is minus 12 into minus 3. This is the first factor. Then minus j cap. I will take minus j cap into. So j cap means this 9 into 3 should be covered. So minus 6 into 4. Minus of minus 12 into 2. So the first one is what? Minus 6 into 4. Minus 6 into 4 minus of minus 12 into 2. So this is minus 12 into 2. Okay. And plus k cap into. Now see, this k cap means I have to cover this column and this row. So minus 6 into minus 3 minus 9 into 2. So this is minus 6 into minus 3 minus of 9 into 2. So I will once again write this here. A cross B is equal to I cap. What is first one is product 9 into 4. 9 4s are 36. So this is 36 minus 12 into 3 is also 36 and minus 12 into minus 3 is plus 36. Another minus is there. So this is 36 minus 36 minus of j cap. Okay, j cap. So this is 6 4s are what? 24. But there is a minus sign. Therefore I will write here as what? Minus 24. Minus. Inside is what? Minus 12 2s are minus 24. This minus into minus will be plus 24. So this will become plus 24. Plus k cap. Okay. Plus k cap. Now you see here. Minus 6 into minus 3. 6 3s are 18. Minus into minus is plus. So this will become what? Plus 18. Minus 9 2s are also 18. So 18 minus 18. Yes. Now you see here students. I cap into 36 minus 36 is what? 0. And minus j into this minus 24 added with plus 24 is also 0. And k cap into 18 minus 18 is also 0. So comfortably we have proved that A cross B is equal to 0. Therefore A cross B, okay, is equal to 0. Hence vector A is parallel to vector B. Have you all understood? Okay, fine.